Hello viewers, today I'm going to prepare keema fry with minimalistic ingredients. So let's get started. Turn on the heat to medium and place a saute pan. Add 3 tablespoons oil. Add cloves, cardamom, cinnamon stick. Add green chili. Saute it once. Finely chopped onion. Saute it once. Cook for few minutes. Add pinch of turmeric, 1 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste, and cook for a couple of minutes. Add grated tomato. Add salt, chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala. Cook for at least 10 minutes. I'm adding minced lamb meat. We are not going to add any water to this. The meat will ooze out some water. Mix them well together. Cover and cook for 20 minutes on a medium heat. After 20 minutes, adding coriander and mint leaves, 2 teaspoons lime, mix them well. That's it. You can eat with chapati, rice, puri. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.